Hello guys, how are you? So in this lesson we shall study about hemophilia. This course is presented by me, Navneet Sharma. I am a biology graduate from University Maharaja College, Jaipur. Recently I have given entrance examination for PG, that is URT PG entrance examination, and I got the All India rank 13. I am a dancer, debater, a keen learner and a teacher. You can follow me on this link. And if you like the lesson, kindly rate, review and recommend. So, beginning with the lesson, first of all, before understanding hemophilia, we shall understand the sex-linked inheritance. What is sex-linked inheritance? Now, XX and XY chromosomes are primarily concerned with the determination of sex. Okay. Now, these do carry some genes for other body characters. Now, such body characters whose genes are located on sex chromosomes and follow sex during inheritance are known as the sex-linked characters. Okay. Now, the genes governing these sex-linked characters are thus called as sex-linked genes. Okay, it is clear. Now, the mode of inheritance by the sex-linked gene is described as sex-linked inheritance. Okay. So, I hope it is pretty clear. So, moving forward. The genes present on X chromosome are called as sex-linked genes. These are also called as X-linked genes, and the genes that occur on Y chromosome are known as holendric genes. Okay, these holendric genes are present only in males. It is clear because the Y chromosome is present only in males, and the genes present on Y chromosome are known as holendric genes. Thus, holendric genes are present only in males. Now, certain characters are not sex linked but are limited to one sex. Okay, as those characters present on holendric genes. Okay, as they are present only in the males. Now, these are described as sex limited characters and sex influenced characters. Okay, so moving forward. Now, one of the earliest known instance of sex-linked character is the bleeder's disease, that is also called as hemophilia, which is found only in males, and it was also seen in the royal family of Spain. Okay, so in 1910, Thomas Hunt Morgan introduced the concept of sex-linked inheritance while working on Drosophila melanogaster. Okay, this was a very important discovery. Now, ultimately, 20 characters of men exhibited sex-linked inheritance. Okay, approximately 20 characters of men only, which are mostly present on the holendric genes. Okay, the most popular examples of sex-linked inheritance in men are hemophilia and red-green color blindness. So in this lesson we shall study about hemophilia only, and I will make a separate lesson on the red-green color blindness. You can refer to that nextly. Okay, so hemophilia in males, that is men only, the bleeder's disease or hemophilia occurs. In hemophilic men, the blood fails to clot. Even a small injury results in continuous bleeding, and it can lead to death from the loss of blood. So you must remember two things, that firstly it occurs in men only, and the blood fails to clot in this disease. In normal men, on the other hand, it takes 2 to 8 minutes for blood to clot. Now, hemophilia is caused by a sex-linked recessive gene located in the X chromosome. Now, it is inherited strictly in the same manner as color blindness does. In the next lesson, we shall study about color blindness also. Now, that is, its single gene in men results in disease hemophilia, whereas a woman requires two such genes for the same. Okay, so it is mostly improbable that a woman acquires this disease also. Now, the hemophilic men, if they survive and reach reproductive age, produce daughters. All of them are apparently normal, but genotypically they are the carriers. Okay, that is, they have one gene from normal condition and other from hemophilia. They are not affected by the disease, but they just carry the disease for another generation of males. Okay, they give birth to when they give birth to their next progeny, the males of next progeny might get affected. The hemophilia in females is very rare, and it is obvious that it could not occur with the same degree of severity as in men. A girl with severe bleeding would die by the time she reaches maturity. The chance of a homozygous girl being born in random mating is very slight. Only a homozygous girl can be the diseased girl by hemophilia. Now, because of the frequency of hemophilic males is about 1 in 10,000. Okay, so it is very, very, very much improbable that a girl may become a hemophilic. She may become a carrier, but being a hemophilic girl is very much improbable. Now this means almost same frequency will be shown by the carrier females. The frequency of homozygous females exactly on the arithmetic basis will be 1 in 10 to the power 7. This frequency is calculated when all hemophilic males survive. Sorry, it is 10 power 6. Now father, this is a cross that explains it in detail. This is a father with hemophilia. He has the XR gene, X chromosome with a diseased genotype. Okay, and XR is the diseased genotype, XRY, and XX is the genotype of normal mother. Now when we cross both of them, we obtain XXR, that is the carrier daughter. XY is a normal son. Again, XXR is a carrier daughter, and XY is a normal son. Okay, here should be XR and X. Okay, so there can be a carrier daughter or a normal son. Okay, so I hope it is pretty clear from this diagram. Now in birds, moths and butterflies, the female is XY and the male is XX dash or ZZ. The gene for a barred plumage is dominant over the gene for a non-barred plumage. This gene is placed on X chromosome. Hence it shows sex-linked inheritance. When a barred female is crossed with a non-barred male, the F1 offspring will show all males and barred and females are not barred. Okay, this is called as the crisscross inheritance. So I hope you guys like the lesson. In the next upcoming lesson, I'll be telling you about the color blindness. So thank you guys for watching. Keep learning.